Here we have two examples where we're now being asked to build the equation of the function. Example 5 asks us for what is the equation of the reciprocal function. The reciprocal function, this is going back to our lesson on parent functions, is the function 1 over x. So thinking about the last function that we looked at in this slide, or the second to last, number 7, the reciprocal function. So that's the parent function that we're starting with in this example. So we want to take that and we want to shift it left 5 and then reflect over the x-axis. So to shift left 5, if I go up and I look at my table, what's going on here? If I go up and I look at my table, to shift left 5, we'll see that we have to replace x with x plus 5. So shifting left 5, we need to change the equation by replacing x with x plus 5. So I'm going to go ahead and do that down here. So first, I'm just going to take the function left 5 by replacing x with x plus 5. So then the new equation is now y equals 1 over x plus 5. And then the second thing we're told to do is to reflect the graph over the x-axis. And so to reflect over the x-axis, what the table tells us to do is that we have to multiply on the outside of the function by -1 to reflect over the x-axis. So now I'm going to take the function that we currently have in blue, and we are going to multiply outside by -1. So we now have y is equal to -1 over x plus 5. And that's our final answer here. Example 6 asks us to start with the cube function. So the parent function here is y is equal to x cubed. That's one of our parent functions from our previous lesson. The first thing we want to do is vertically stretch it by a factor of 3. So first, let's just start with this. To stretch vertically by a factor of 3, we need to multiply on the outside of the function by 3. So the new equation will simply be y is equal to 3x cubed. The last thing we want to do is we want to horizontally compress by a factor of 5. So let's go look at the table, make sure we know where this is coming from. So by the way, what we have done so far is we have done I think it was a vertical stretch, right? Yeah, we did a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. So here's the vertical stretch. So we multiplied the outside by 3. The next thing we want to do is a horizontal compression. So we want to, by 5. So we want to replace x with ax. So I'm going to replace x with 5x to do the horizontal compression by 5. Because next we want to see, I'll just write an h compression. And to do that, we replace x with x. Oh, wait, no, with 5x. Yeah, I think that's what we saw up here. Isn't that what I circled? Yeah, I think that is what I circled. Horizontal compression, replace x with 5x. I don't know why I was thinking it was a shift, but okay. So then our final answer, our final equation is y is equal to 3. Be careful here, replace this x. So what should be going in there should be the 5x, and that's now cubed. And then there's our final answer there.